Hi guys, in my previous video I already explained about the exponential encryption, and in present video I am going to explain about the exponential decryption. Okay, first of all see how to decrypt by using the given numbers. Okay, see they gave e equals to 3 and then m equals to -1. Okay, to understand this video you need to see the previous video, because in previous video I encrypted the values, and so I am using those encrypted values in this decryption. Okay, let's see now. Here we have the formula, that is d equals to e power -1 mod m -1. Okay, here what they gave, e equals to 3. 3 inverse into mod, what is m, 101 -1. Okay, then 3 inverse of mod 100. Okay, first of all find the 3 inverse for mod 100. In my previous video only I told how to find the inverse. So to find this inverse you need to see the previous video. But for yourself again I will say how to find the inverse. See, to find inverse actually we need to know the formula, that is a inverse equals to a into x mod m. Here m is 100, a is 3. Then we need to place one value in x place to get a inverse. I mean the total equation must be equals to the 1 after doing the solvation. Okay, now take 3 into mod 100. In place of this, if you represent any value of your choice, first of all let's try. You need to try the numbers before 100. Okay, first of all try, if not 57. See, 3 into 57, 171 divided by 100 minus 1 into 100. See what we got, 71. Okay, next try for 67 divided by 100 minus 2 into 100. See, we got 1. So our x value is 67. That means here 3 inverse, d equals to 3 inverse equals to 67. Okay, now we find out the d value. Now we are writing the original formula, that is p equals to c power d mod m. This is the formula we need to find out for everything. Okay, let's see the p value. In previous video we took the example of goods. For this, what we got, for good we got value as 14, for G we got value as 14, and for O we got value as 17, and again for O it is same 17, and here we got 27. If you want, check in the previous video. Then please represent the values of P to find out in this formula. Okay, see, for first one, see what we got, D as 67 mod 101. Okay, to get the answer, first to write the binary value of 67. I mean binary means we need to solve it. 2, 67. See, this is our binary representation for 67. We are going to write this binary representation here. See, if we got 1, I already told that d into p, and if it is 0, then we need to write d into d. Okay, up to here, this is the part which we need to learn. Just this is a small part which we need to learn just for finding d. And then next, from here onwards, it is same as from the encryption. Let's see, I will solve for 1. That means for G, I will solve. See, what's the value we got for G? See, 1 means 1 into what's the value of P? That is 14. Okay, rotate. 1 into 14 means 14. Then what about here we got the 0. Then 14 into, in place of D we need, this is the updated D value now. Just keep the D value and find the mod. 14 into 14 into 14 mod 101. If we calculate this, we just got 95. We need to apply the mod also. 14 into 14 mod 101. See here, I will solve it. 14 into 14 equals to divided by 101 minus 1 into 101. See, we got 95. The same thing I wrote here. Okay, next again the same thing. Okay, if we represent this is now our D value. This is our D value. So again we got 0. 95 into 95 mod 101. If you solve it, just we will got 36. Okay, next this is our D value, updated value. Then again it is 0. Again we need to do that. 36 into 36 mod 101. What we may got? 84. Okay guys, I already done answers for these questions. See, again if it is 0 means 84 into 84 mod 101, 87. And see here, now we got 1. That means 87. This is our D value. 87 into 87 was the value of P? 14. Then mod 101. If you done it, see, 87 into 87 was the value of P? That is 14. Divided by 101, that equals to, okay, we need to subtract this. 1049 into 101. What we got? 17. Okay, again here we got the D value as 17. See, 17 into 17 into P value means 14. If we solve it, just we got the value of 6. At last, we need to get the equivalence value of the letter which we have submitted. See here, we placed the G. What's the equivalent corresponding value of G? It is 6. If you want, once again check it. See, for A it is 0, B it is 1, C 2, D 3, E 4, F 5, and then for G 6. So our decryption in exponential cipher is correct for letter G. Therefore again we need to represent the, for what we need to find means, in place of 14 means in place of C we need to represent 17, and again for all things the same binary value 1 for zeros 1 1. Again for 27 also the same process. Guys, if you try this, you can definitely get the value. For checking the correct answer, the small trick is at last value we need to get the equivalence corresponding of the letter which we have submitted. See here I have given G, the same equivalence letter I got. So if you get like this is then you may say that you are done perfectly. Okay, I think you all understand this topic. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments, then comment in the comment section. Thank you.